Here I have Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera, of course. Tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find mirror mode. So like this you can switch it, and just for example let me take one photo with this mode enabled and another one with it disabled, so you can see the difference. So as you can see, on this one we have lightning on the left side, and on this one we have it on the right side, but it's like actually on the right side. Here you can see how the shadow falls. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.